Hi everyone, Maxine here with Tink and I Treasures. Welcome back to my studio. Today I'm going to show you the project that we have been working on finished. So yeah, sit back and just watch how I ended up finishing this cute little memory keeper that I came up with. I don't know, it's probably been done, but I haven't seen it, but yeah. Anyway, so I've made a lot of memory keepers, all of them just a little bit different here and there. And this one I think has a lot of promise. So let's get going. So if you remember, I started, the base of this is a file folder. And I used a 12 by 12 scrapbook pad. Excuse me. Scrapbook pad that had papers I liked. Okay. This isn't one of those, oh, let's use this because we'll never use it type of thing. But you want something that you actually like. And so I covered with the scrapbook paper on the outside and on the inside. And here I added a little tuck. Something I could use. I never do this right. Here we go. So here is actually it's a pretty good size tuck spot that you could slip things into. And here is our first envelope. They're all, rather large, full-size envelopes. I put wings on it, so it has a good capacity. No, that's not right. Oh, you know what I mean. Anyway, and it is large enough to fit like a greeting card, a card type of thing in it. Of course, letters, notes, photos, all those things that we like to keep. And let's see, if you watch my other videos, you know the size. But if you haven't seen my other videos, this is about 6.5 inches by a tad less than 8. So, and this is using, the 2-button type closure with some twine. Turn it over, and on this side we have a little tuck spot. And inside there, I have another smaller, like a coin envelope. And this is great. Oops. This is great for saving smaller items, like maybe ticket stubs to a play or something else you attended. This is a great place to hang on to those smaller things. Maybe a smaller photo, or I don't know, something you picked up along the way. So this has wings on it as well. So again, you could get a little bit more in there than what you normally would if you don't put the wings on. So that just folds up like that and tucks in there like so. Now our second envelope is a little different. They all are different because they're all coming from the same paper pad, but all the papers in it are different, but they all go together. So that's what the important part is, they all go together. This one closes with a magnet. And again, we have the larger capacity. Why can't I say that word? Oh my goodness. And here is the back, which I put a pocket, and I added wings to the pocket as well. Let's see. So you could get, you know, quite a few items in there. And I put on some really pretty trim on this one. So, you know, they're all a little different. They're decorated, similar but different. Each one I tried to go with the overall color of the envelope, you know, when I was pulling out ephemera and stuff for decorating. Here is the third envelope, and this has little swans on it, which always reminds me of Europe. So I went with the Paris thing and some other, you know, European type looking ephemera. And again, it has a large area as wings, and that one closes with a magnet as well. And I added some trim right through there. On the back side of that, we have another envelope, like here. It has wings, so you can get a little bit more in there than what typically you could. I added, you know, some ephemera here and a little sticker that says "Believe in yourself." That's always nice to, I don't know, see a positive affirmation. So there's that. And the fourth and last envelope is again a 2-button closure. And again, it has a large opening, a large area. You can get a lot of stuff in there. And it's amazing how quickly these memory keepers fill up. I have 4 of them right now that I use personally, and they're stuffed. And I don't travel anymore. You know, my sweetie and I went on a cruise, oh boy, probably in 16? No, let me think. 17. I think it was 2017 we went on a cruise to Alaska. And, you know, we used to go to the coast a lot, things like that. But since, you know, I've had mobility issues, we don't travel like, you know, like I would like to. At least, you know, travel as in, you know, go out of town for the weekend or things like that. So, you know, I didn't think I would have a lot of stuff, but yeah, they're filled with things. I mean, notes and cards from people. Yeah, just, you know, all kinds of stuff. And it's so nice to go around your house and look in all your drawers and little knick-knack boxes and, you know, everything else you might throw something like that into. Gather them all up and have one place to keep everything. It is so nice. I mean, the first time I made a memory keeper that I kept for myself, and I went around the house and I gathered up all these bits and bobs and keepsakes and what have you, and put it all into that. It filled it. It filled it right away. But it was so nice to just have all that in one place and together. I don't know. And then here's the back of this one. And again, we have a winged envelope that you can get a lot of stuff into. And this one has some fabric pieces because I'm just kind of going along with the, you know, with the overall color of the envelope. And back here, I put just a tiny little tuck spot and a couple of journaling cards there for, you know, whatever reason. I just wanted to do that. So anyway, that's our finished memory keeper. It's got 4 good size envelopes, plenty of places to keep, you know, cards and letters and, you know, smaller items. You know, that's what this one's for. It can keep, you know, the little ticket stubs from a play or something else, that some other event you went to. So anyway, I hope you liked this. It was a lot of fun to make, and I am really kind of excited about this format, I guess it is, because like I said, I've made several memory keepers, and they all varied in the design of them, and how pages are put in, and you know, how the pages are done, and things like that. So they're all different. You know, it's kind of a progression, I suppose, but I really like this format. I think this is a really good way to do this. It feels sturdy. It feels strong. It feels like it would hold up. So yeah, I am just really pleased with how this turned out. I think it's lovely, and it'll look very nice sitting on a bookshelf or something in the living room, or on the side table or a coffee table, you know. So anyway, thank you. If you made this along with me, I would love to hear about that. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please do so. We would love to have more people involved and making comments, and you know, everyone enjoys listening to what other people are working on, or your thoughts or ideas, or what, you know, what creative impressions looking at this has given you. You know, maybe you're looking at this and you're thinking, I have an idea for a little different, or something like that. So yeah, everyone's interested in hearing that. So anyway, please like and subscribe. Please comment, and until the next time, take care of you, love each other, and I will see you again. Bye.